Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandra. In my previous video I had talked about a breakfast bowl that I had got at Dairy Queen. It was called a French toast bowl. So I'm going to make my own at home. So I thought I'd turn on the cameras and invite you into my home this morning and let you watch me fix this up and give it a try. It's simple. I'm sure it's going to be good. You're just making it fancy and pretty by putting it all in a bowl. So what I'll be using in my breakfast bowl today is I have some French toast here. I'm just going to fix those in the air fryer. I have a couple slices of sausage I'm going to fry up, and then I have a couple eggs that I'm going to scramble up. So before I get anything else started, I'm just going to go ahead and get these French toast sticks in the air fryer and get those done. Just let them be set to the side, and then I'll get out my little burner and cook up my sausage and eggs, and then it's just throwing it together. So pull up a chair and get comfy, you all. Hope you've got your coffee with you. Sit and enjoy your coffee while you watch. I have mine sitting over here to the side. But anyway, let's get on in with it. Okay, I'm going to lock my little burner in here. Set that to about a medium heat and then get to frying my sausage up. I'm just going to let my little griddle pan start heating up. And throw my sausage on there. I'm going to fix my breakfast bowl in this little Pioneer Woman mixing bowl. I thought it'd make a pretty presentation. It's already 9 o'clock here this morning. Time is flying by today, seems like. Alrighty. Yep, those look pretty done. Take my French toast sticks out and put them on a plate set to the side, and I'm going to get this big monster out of the way so I have more counter space. Could scoot this over a little bit, have better lighting. There we go. There we go. It's all about the point of perspective what your camera's picking up. Turn this burner down just a little bit. The sausage is almost done, so I'm going to go ahead and crack my eggs in my bowl and get them all beat up. Am I going to have to hand it off to you? I'm making a French toast bowl with scrambled egg in the bottom, mixed with some crumbled up sausage. And then you crumble the French toast over it, and then you drizzle a little syrup over top. They had them at Dairy Queen the other day. I tried one. Yeah, I'll make you one. I'll make you the first one. How's that? You can be the tester. Well, if you want to.
It don't matter. I'm asking.
It's whatever you want. You could try it on screen or off screen. Don't make no difference to me. Get these eggs scrambled up real quick. My son come out his room, he smelled all this food a cooking. I told him I'd let him have the first bowl. I'll fix me one here in a minute. Alright, turn that burner off. Pick what kind of syrup you want out of the cabinet. While he's getting his syrup out of the cabinet, I'm just going to take my spatula here and cut up this sausage into little pieces. A little knife probably work better than this spatula. One tried to jump out of the plate on you there, Chris. He knows what's coming. I'll put the eggs and the sausage in the bowl first. Mix those two up together. And then I'm just going to take these French toast sticks and just tear them up with my fingers. Maybe if I'd picked a smaller bowl, it would have been prettier. This don't look very full in this little bowl, but you take 2 eggs, a 2-piece sausage, and then 3 sticks of French toast. That's a lot of food.
Not for me.
Well, not for you, but it is for me. Stir it up a little. Now the syrup. I should have warmed the syrup up for you. Probably would have been better.
Syrup.
I like mine warmed up.
As long as it ain't cold, I'm fine.
You want to try this off screen or on screen? Huh?
Don't matter.
This is my son Chris.
Honey.
Might be a little warm.
Trying to get it all on there.
Pretty good?
Yeah, pretty good. So an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10 for you? You know how much they charge for those at the Dairy Queen?
$10.
No, I think it's like, I think it was $6.49 for one of their breakfast bowls.
Well, how big was it?
Well, it was in a little disposable container, probably about this big.
Ain't bad.
Enough to hold about that much.
About $6 ain't bad.
Well, I mean, it's fast food, but
That's what I'm saying, for $6 it ain't bad.
not
Get that much.
not if you're eating out. It's a lot cheaper to cook at home
Oh yeah.
and better. Get better ingredients. I think they use them liquid eggs when they
Probably.
fix scrambled, which they're all right to me. It don't matter to me. So anyway, I'm gonna get off here and fix my breakfast next.
I can wait.
No, you have that. It don't take no time to fix them. What us mommies do for our babies, right?